Hello everyone, Namaste, Hare Krishna. Yesterday we posted a video about George Harrison. He sang this lovely song, My Sweet Lord. It was a major hit in those days. I'm sure many of you have heard this song. Interesting thing happened is one person saw this video and they were so inspired. They contacted us. They wanted to know more about chanting mantras and they wanted to learn and they wanted some books on chanting. So we met him and he got 5 of these books, Chant and Be Happy, where the Beatles, George Harrison, John Lennon, they are sharing their experience of visiting India, finding mantras for meditation, meeting gurus. So he took 5 copies of this book. He wanted to give it as presents to some people he know, maybe his staff or family or friends, because we know it's holiday season, there's Christmas coming up, New Year. He just wanted to give as gifts. So we met this person in Beverly Hills area, and since we are in Beverly Hills already, we decided to come and take a walk on Rodeo Drive, which is decorated for holiday season, for Christmas, for New Year. But before we take you for a walk on Rodeo Drive, I would like to invite all of you to come and visit our center. It's a ISKCON center. We have a beautiful Bhagavad Gita museum, which is like a popular attraction in Los Angeles, and it's not very far from Rodeo Drive. It's less than 4 miles, takes less than 20 minutes to visit. At our center we have a wonderful vegetarian restaurant. You can get very nice spiritualized food, prasad. We have a beautiful temple. Many people come to see the temple, and we have a really nice gift store. You can buy presents, gifts for your friends, family, or people you want to meet while you are visiting Los Angeles. So yes, I would highly encourage you to come and visit us. We have these kind of books we were talking about before. If you are interested in reading books, we have a lot of literature available on Vedic culture, Vedic philosophy, spirituality, meditation, yoga. Yeah, I think I just wanted to say that before we take you on a walk on Rodeo Drive. So I think now we are ready. We can take you on a little tour of Rodeo Drive. You can check out the decorations on the festival, offers that different businesses, shopkeepers, they are making to people. So let's go and check that out. So we can see this is not just for Christmas. There is also, people are celebrating Hanukkah. It's a Jewish festival, and so different. Los Angeles is known for its cosmopolitan culture. So many different cultures are there. People celebrate their own festivals. So since we are taking a walk here, it's very relaxed atmosphere. I think it's a good time. I can share some of events we are doing, some things we have planned for next month, how we are gonna celebrate things in next month. A major event for us next month is the advent of Bhagavad Gita, the day Bhagavad Gita was spoken, little over 5,000 years ago by Lord Krishna, and we will be celebrating it on 15th of December. There will be a complete recitation of the full text of Bhagavad Gita. I highly encourage all of you to please come, join us, tell your friends, and it's an all-day event. We will be reciting the full Bhagavad Gita, the Sanskrit text, so you can get to know the Bhagavad Gita a little bit more. You can see our center, explore. So 15th of December, it's a big day for us, because this day at our center, International Society for Krishna Consciousness in Los Angeles, we're gonna celebrate the advent of Bhagavad Gita, the day Bhagavad Gita was spoken by Lord Krishna, little over 5,000 years ago. There will be a complete recitation of the full text of Bhagavad Gita in Sanskrit, There will be chanting of Sanskrit shlokas, and it will go on for half a day. It takes about more than 4 hours to recite the complete text of Bhagavad Gita. There will be people, they will be taking Bhagavad Gita to give to others, because it's Christmas, New Year, holiday season, so people want to make gifts. That's the best gift to give to someone, a wisdom text to give to someone, to bring light of wisdom in someone's life. You could also participate and do that. Many people, they make donations so other people can receive this book. We will have complete information about the event in the description box. You can contact us if you want someone to get this book as a gift from you. We can send it as a gift from you to them. Another thing I want to share is on an Indian festival of Durga. We were invited to this temple, Durga temple, Hindu temple of Los Angeles, and people there, they liked our presentation of Bhagavad Gita, so they wanted me to teach Bhagavad Gita to their children, and we already did one session. But officially we will be starting from December 1st. We'll be starting a full course on Bhagavad Gita. We will have some information for that also in the description box. You can read, and you can contact us for that. Or maybe you want it to start at some place where you know people gather at, and we can make that arrangement also. Beautiful weather today, sunshine, everyone is in a happy mood. People are just enjoying the weather, taking walks, shopping for the festival season, for Christmas, for Hanukkah, for New Year, taking gifts. It's a time for families to come together. They haven't put the Christmas tree yet, but we see there is Santa here. We can take some pictures with Santa. Happy holidays, everyone. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy New Year. I wish all the best to everyone, give a lot of gifts, and above all, chant Hare Krishna and be happy. Finally, we did find a Christmas tree here. We can see how much effort they put in decorations. It's beautifully decorated, and I have to say Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, and a very, very Happy New Year. I still want to say, please take time to chant Hare Krishna and be happy. That's for inner happiness. Namaste, Hare Krishna. Julia Roberts and Richard Gere. Hi guys, I just want to inform you. Hey guys, I just want to share this very important information I just found. Okay, let's do it again. Hi guys, I have to share this really important hey guys, I just wanted to share this with you. Someone just recently told me that this hotel, famous hotel you see at the back, this is the place where they did the shooting for a famous movie called Pretty Woman. I haven't watched it, but I was told the famous stars Julia Roberts and Richard Gere are in this movie, and if you watched it, you know about it. If you didn't watch it, now you know about it. But this is where the shooting of that movie happened. Life is beautiful. It's even more beautiful with Krishna. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and leave a comment if you like this type of videos, so we can make more videos for all of you. I wish all of you, your family, your friends, all the best. I hope you are getting good holiday vibes watching this video. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.